So what is StackBuy? StackBuy is a flexible and collaborative work management platform that brings together three things: spreadsheets, databases, and easy automations in a single place. So here's the structure of the platform. So the platform is divided in four different parts: workspaces, stacks, tables, and views. A workspace can be a company or a department. Stacks are essentially databases. Within a stack, there are multiple tables, just like tabs on Excel or Google Sheet. And within a table, there are different layouts or views. So here's a workspace. You always get started on the dashboard with a workspace. A workspace, as I said, can be either your company or a department or even a client. Then there are stacks. Now stacks are basically collection of tables. One stack is basically one database. It can be a unique workflow, a project, or any custom database that you want for your business. You can invite team members both at the workspace level as well as at the stack level, and you can give them different permission types. So we have owner, that essentially gives all the access of that particular workspace or a stack. Creator, that only gives creation access to that particular person. Editor can only edit. Commenter can only comment, and read only can only view the data. You can basically get started by importing your data from various data importers. So you can import from a CSV file or your Microsoft Excel file, or even bring data from Google Sheets. So within a stack, there are tables. So here's what a table looks like. Here, tables are different than a spreadsheet. There are 25 unique column types that you can essentially use and structure your data accordingly. So there are different types of column types. So it could be drop downs, checkboxes, you can add files and attachments, or you can also link between two tables just like a relational database. You can look up information from one table to another, or even summarize the linked records. And all these column types are validated data types and completely flexible and real-time for your needs. You can also connect column to third-party APIs and services. So you can pull live data from services like Google Analytics, YouTube, Facebook ads, and there are 30 plus popular APIs that you can bring information from. And you can then refresh those cells to auto update and bring information directly in your tables in real time. You can also automate the schedule of these APIs. So these are the different types of API connectors. So you can bring information from Google Analytics to build your custom dashboard. You can build your custom SEO tracker from Ahrefs and Moz. You can manage your campaigns from Facebook ads. You can manage your video production by integrating YouTube and YouTube Analytics. Or you can even build your lead lists by integrating with APIs like Full Contact or Clearbit. There are different types of table actions. So you can filter the data, you can search information, you can sort, you can increase the row height, or you can even print or export this data back into Excel sheets. You can visualize the data in different ways. So not only you can see data within your table, but you can also see it in a Kanban, like a pipeline view, a calendar to essentially view records by month, week, work week, day, or an agenda. You can also create custom forms through drag and drop, and you can share it with anybody or embed it onto your website and directly collect information from anywhere, right inside your tables. You can also view records in a gallery. It could be a mood board, it could be an employee directory, or it could be any sort of a directory that you would like to manage. You can also collaborate with your team in real time. So you can individually open each of those rows or records, and you can add checklists or even set reminders that can send you Slack, Microsoft Teams, or email notifications. You can connect StackBuy to more than 2,000 plus apps to build powerful workflows. So there are various actions and triggers you can manage via Zapier, Integromat, Integrately, N8N, and others. So there are thousands of possibilities on automation with StackBy. There are more than 100 plus templates to get started. So from sales to HR to project management to marketing to even deal flow management for VCs, the number of use cases on StackBy are immense. You can also use StackBy from anywhere you are. So you can download Android and iOS apps, or even download a Chrome extension to clip information from anywhere and bring that into your tables. And it's a straightforward pricing for all. So there is a single user plan which gives you access to a workspace just for one user. Then there is a small teams plan, which is an economy plan which gives you an access to a small team, starts from $9 per user per month. And if you want to use the StackBy platform and without any limits, there is a business plan which starts from $18 per user per month, and that is the Max Stack yearly plan that you can subscribe to. So take StackBy for a spin for free and visit us on stackby.com.